This dashboard provides real-time flight tracking and monitoring, helping you maintain situational awareness of all active flights and ensuring safety through comprehensive search and rescue watch capabilities. At the top of the page, you'll see 4 key statistics that update automatically. Total flights shows all flights currently being monitored. Active displays flights that are currently in progress. Past shows flights that have ended but haven't been formally closed yet. And overdue highlights any flights that have passed their search and rescue time. These require immediate attention. Below the statistics, you have 2 viewing options. The table view icon displays flights in a compact spreadsheet-style format, perfect for monitoring many flights at once. The card view icon shows each flight in a detailed card layout with more visual information. You can switch between these views at any time based on your preference. Next to the View toggle, you'll find sorting options. Sort by SAR time arranges flights with the most urgent search and rescue times first, while Sort by Start time displays flights chronologically based on when they began. Each flight displays comprehensive information. In Table View, you'll see Flight ID, which uniquely identifies each flight, Status, showing the current flight state, Aircraft, showing the aircraft registration, Route with departure and destination airports, Active time counting up continuously, SAR time, showing when the aircraft should land and time remaining, Flight Follower, showing who is monitoring the flight, and Notes. In Card View, flights display the same core information in a larger, more detailed card format. Flights are color-coded based on their current status. Blue indicates an active flight, currently in progress. Yellow represents past flights that have ended but aren't formally closed. Red highlights overdue flights that have passed their search and rescue time with Search and Rescue Watch enabled. The Search and Rescue Watch system is the critical safety feature. Each flight displays its SAR time, the time by which the aircraft should have landed or made contact. The system shows exactly how much time remains until the SAR time. If a flight passes its SAR time and has SAR Watch enabled, it immediately displays as overdue in red. Some flights may show SAR Watch disabled. These are past flights where monitoring is no longer required. If you see no SAR time set, the search and rescue time hasn't been configured for that flight. The dashboard is fully interactive with several powerful features. If you have write permissions, you can perform the following actions. Adjusting SAR times. Click the Adjust SAR button next to any flight to open the SAR adjustment pop-up. Here, you can modify the SAR time using an intuitive date and time picker. The pop-up also includes a toggle button that dynamically changes based on the current SAR Watch status. If SAR Watch is currently enabled, you'll see a red Disable SAR Watch button. If SAR Watch is disabled, you'll see a green Enable SAR Watch button. This allows you to quickly enable or disable SR monitoring for any flight. In Card View, you can also adjust the SAR time inline without opening a pop-up. Adding flight notes. Click the Note icon to add timestamped notes to any flight. In Table View, this opens a pop-up where you can enter your note. In Card View, an inline editor appears directly on the flight card. All notes are automatically timestamped with the current time when saved, making it easy to track when information was added. Viewing flight notes. Click on any flight's Notes section to view the complete note history in a pop-up. This is useful for reviewing all communications and updates related to a specific flight. You can click on the pilot in command's name to instantly view their contact information. A pop-up will appear showing their mobile phone, home phone, email, and next of kin contact details. This is critical for emergency situations where you need to reach the pilot or their emergency contacts quickly. The entire page refreshes automatically every few seconds, ensuring you always have the most current information without needing to manually reload. While DataHangar is designed to provide efficiency and advantage through technology, no technology is infallible. DataHangar relies on multiple systems, including a stable internet connection, to function properly. All companies using DataHangar for flight following must have backup procedures in place. These should involve time tracking using physical equipment, such as a whiteboard or paper and pen, in case of internet or power failure. A 30-minute interval check-in system is a good example of a reliable backup procedure. Technology enhances safety, but traditional backup methods remain essential for operational resilience.